So the next thing that we looked at from the data-driven design and the importance of the data-driven design is how do we manage concurrent engineering, the changes of the data that gets progressed through into the completions and commissioning group. So when we look at the application and the benefits that it provides to the completions and commissioning groups is we provide a full history of that piece of equipment right from its inception all the way through to owner operate and into operational environment. Not just the history of the work being done, but all the incremental data changes, field changes of that equipment, so it's got a full transparency history log so that people can understand the changes of that data throughout the project. The last point, and probably the most important one, is how we can push the information to upstream and downstream applications so that can be leveraged and benefit other work groups within the project. A good example of that is the integration points into Smart Plant P&ID, Smart Plant Electrical, Smart Plant 3D, where now we can have the ability to push the system boundaries into the engineering environment where they're doing the system scoping in Smart Plant P&ID. That can get correlated back down into Smart Plant Instrumentation, Smart Plant Electrical, so that as a completions and commissioning group, we now have, even at a tag level, the system and subsystem attributes. Another big benefit to the data-driven design is also if you want to tie into a P6 schedule through an application interface where you can get direct progressing information into that scheduling environment. So there's a lot of opportunity once you look at the data-driven environment to extend that information into upstream or downstream applications to really benefit different work groups and embed the change management procedures to make sure that that data in those other environments that use it receive the cascade effect of those changes in the engineering environment. To take advantage of the data-driven design, it's best to look at it at the early stages of the project of what you require from an application perspective, a data perspective, and a workflow perspective. We have experts in all applications within all aspects of the project lifecycle, and we'll be happy to support you.